Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we shall just see the introduction of the recruitment module in Odoo 18. First, we need to install the HR recruitment module from the apps, and when I click on this apps menu, here the recruitment will be visible. When I click on that, this is the dashboard of the recruitment which is visible for us. What is this recruitment module then? This recruitment module is designed to help organizations to manage their hiring process swiftly from a single platform. Instead of handling job applications through emails, spreadsheets, or manual records, recruiters can use Odoo to organize and track the entire recruitment life cycle. The main purpose of this module is to simplify and streamline hiring activities, and also it allows recruiters to create job positions, receive applications, and manage candidates, schedule the interviews, and track the progress of each applicant until the hiring process is completed. When a company has a job opening, recruiters can create a job position in Odoo by providing details such as a job title, department, location, and job description. These vacancies can then be published on a company website, enabling candidates to apply directly online. Once applications are received, all candidates' information is stored centrally within the system. This helps recruiters easily access applicant details without searching through multiple emails or files. Every candidate can be tracked throughout the recruitment journey. One of the key features of the recruitment module is the recruitment pipeline. Candidates move through different stages such as initial qualification, interview, contract proposal, and hire. This visual pipeline gives recruiters a clear overview of where each candidate stands in the hiring process. And this module also supports interview management too. Recruiters can schedule interviews, assign interviewers, and record feedback within the system. This makes the evaluation process more organized and helps teams make informed hiring decisions. There are several benefits of managing hiring through Odoo recruitment. First, it centralizes all recruitment data in one place. And second, it improves collaboration between recruiters and hiring managers. And third, it reduces manual work by automating many recruitment activities. And the fourth is it provides better visibility into candidate progress through the recruitment pipeline. And also another important advantage is its integration with other Odoo modules. Once a candidate is hired, the information can be transferred directly to the employee module, reducing duplicate data entry and ensuring a smooth onboarding process. So, overall, the recruitment module helps organizations save time, improve efficiency, and also to maintain a structured hiring process from job posting to employee onboarding. So, in detail, we shall go in our further videos. This is just the introduction of the recruitment module. So, to conclude, Odoo 18 recruitment is a complete recruitment management solution that enables companies to attract, track, evaluate, and hire the right talent effectively while keeping all recruitment activities organized within a single system. Thank you.